Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering every cleaning product you own now. Check expiration dates and separate hazardous items like bleach and paint thinners because containment matters. Place caps on and test seals briefly. Leaking bottles need immediate attention. Once done, organize by hazard class so you can pack compatible items together. This reduces chemical reactions during transit. Make sure to have boxes rated for liquids and absorbent material ready, because that prevents messes if a container fails. You now contain and cushion each item thoughtfully. This is the detailed execution. For liquids, put bottles inside sealed plastic bags, remove extra air, and add a measured 1/2 cup of absorbent material to catch spills. This minimizes sloshing and stain risks. Wrap fragile containers in bubble wrap or towels to absorb shock, and pack heavier bottles at the bottom of bins to lower center of gravity. Make sure aerosols stay upright and separated from heat sources to prevent pressure issues. You finish by labeling, loading, and inspecting with care. This completes the task. Mark each box clearly with the words hazardous, cleaning supplies, and a short contents list so movers avoid surprises. When loading, keep boxes upright, secure them to prevent shifting, and avoid direct sun or trunk heat that raises pressure. Once at the destination, inspect each box before bringing it inside and have a spill kit ready. If a leak occurs, contain it immediately and rebag affected items to prevent contamination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.